The passenger compartment of the Karoq remained stable in the frontal offset test. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Skoda demonstrated that a similar level of protection would be provided to occupants of different sizes and to those sat in different positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection of both occupants was good or adequate except for the chest of the rear passenger, protection of which was rated as marginal. In the side barrier test, protection of all critical body areas was good, and the Karoq scored maximum points. In the more severe side pole test, protection of the chest was adequate, and that of other parts of the body was good. Tests on the front seats and head restraints demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of rear-end collision. A geometric assessment of the rear seats also indicated good whiplash protection. The standard-fit autonomous emergency braking system performed well in tests of its functionality at the low speeds typical of city driving at which many whiplash injuries are caused, with collisions avoided or mitigated at all test speeds. In the frontal offset test, protection of the chest of the 6-year dummy was rated as weak. Based on dummy readings of deceleration, and neck protection of both dummies was rated as marginal, based on readings of tensile forces. In the side barrier test, protection of all critical body regions was good for both dummies. The front passenger airbag can be disabled to allow a rearward-facing child restraint to be used in that seating position. Clear information is provided to the driver regarding the status of the airbag, and the system was rewarded. All of the restraint types for which the Karoq is designed could be properly installed and accommodated. The protection provided by the bonnet to the head of a struck pedestrian was predominantly good or adequate, with poor results being recorded on the stiff windscreen pillars. The bumper provided good protection to pedestrians' legs and scored maximum points. The protection provided to the pelvis area was mixed. Tests of the pedestrian detection function of the autonomous emergency braking system demonstrated good performance, with collisions avoided or mitigated in all scenarios. A seatbelt reminder system is standard for the front and rear seats, as is a driver-set speed limiter. The autonomous emergency braking system performed well in tests of its functionality at highway speeds, with collisions avoided or mitigated in many scenarios and test speeds. Linky in the description. Cheers!